From design to testing, the creation of our RF switch matrix. For RF testing, every detail matters. Follow the journey of our engineers as they transform a concept into a powerful and reliable testing solution. Our engineers shape each component with precision, from 3D designs to electronic schematics, bringing your vision, your project to life. Our RF switch matrix solutions are designed to offer maximum flexibility, with up to 96 switching channels to meet a variety of testing needs. The robust design ensures exceptional longevity. In our laboratory, vision takes shape. Each piece is carefully assembled. Every connection is checked. This is where design becomes reality. Our RF switch matrix units are placed in robust 3-unit rack-mountable enclosures. The modular design allows for easy and quick maintenance, ensuring maximum availability during your tests. The quality of our products is tested at every stage. Rigorous testing ensures the reliability and accuracy. Our RF switch matrix units offer extensive coverage for a wide range of RF test applications and frequencies. Simple control via Ethernet or USB TMC. From design to delivery, we're here to provide you with superior RF testing solutions, designed to meet your most demanding needs. At AMCAD, we're committed to delivering products that meet your expectations in terms of performance, reliability, maintenance, and ease of use.